Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tejinder Singh Nagi. I am working with Nesco Limited, that is the parent company of Bombay Exhibition Center. Uh, well, in these difficult times where the world has been enveloped by the dreaded coronavirus, we, Nesco, are coming up with a ray of great hope where your business would be catapulted multifold. So, in the next few minutes, I would be speaking to you about a unique business opportunity, which is in the form of an exhibition and conference, definitely. But this is a platform which will take your businesses and put Maharashtra state on a different level altogether. I am speaking about Construct Maharashtra, the exhibition and conference which is going to be held from the 20th to the 22nd of January 2021. So in the next few minutes, I take you through a PPT which will give you a lot of details about what Construct Maharashtra is all about, how you per se as a company, how the government of Maharashtra, how India per se benefits through this unique opportunity. Construct Maharashtra Expo and Summit on Infrastructure, Construction and Technology, which is going to be held from the 20th to the 22nd of January 2021. The focus of Construct Maharashtra is catalyzing a massive economic stimulus for all businesses across Maharashtra. Now, Nesco Limited is hosting this India's largest development event, which, as I mentioned, is in January 2021. Nesco, as you are aware, is a public listed company and has been organizing unique events and exhibitions for the past many years. And what we aim to leverage are 3 decades of exhibition experiences to create meaningful platforms for the sellers and the buyers to network and grow. Bombay Exhibition Center, a division of Nesco Limited, is the largest and permanent exhibition center in the private sector in India and was set up in 1991. Now, this unique event, Construct Maharashtra, is being organized in partnership with India's leading design firm called as the X36 Falcon. So what does Construct Maharashtra speak about exactly? What are the exhibitor profiles? What are the visitor profiles? How do you benefit? How does the government benefit? How does India benefit per se? Now, Construct Maharashtra will bring in a lot of construction technologies, new trends in construction safety, construction waste management, disaster management. CM is not only an exhibition, but it is a one-stop solution for the industry to come and acknowledge the latest trends in the world of construction and infrastructure. We would like to invite all companies from the construction and equipment sector to come and be a part of this unique, huge platform and not only meet Indian and international players of the industry, but to also explore the huge business opportunity this exhibition and conference presents to you. We would also like to invite all startups, new innovation manufacturers to come and showcase their technologies. We would also like to call upon all the construction associations, the relevant construction associations, industry bodies to come and support Construct Maharashtra and let their members to allow them to participate and showcase their unique technologies and innovations in the construction and infrastructure sector. We would like to invite the construction industry media to come forward and join hands with us and to promote and spread the word of Construct Maharashtra, not only in India, but also around the world. What does Construct Maharashtra actually have? How does Construct Maharashtra become a unique platform for you? Construct Maharashtra has 15 iconic projects which will take Maharashtra to a different level altogether. This is a vision that we are putting on a different pedestal. The total size of projects are in excess of $234 billion. That is around 17.6 lakh crore rupees. These projects will give a huge boost to manufacturing. The projects have an innovative financing mechanism. We will speak about the financing mechanism on a later stage. Now we only let you know what the projects are all together, or we will let you know what the projects are all about. Construct Maharashtra will also create 26 million new jobs in Maharashtra and 60,000 new jobs in partner countries. Well, here is a snapshot of some of the projects. Project number one is the Mumbai Eastern Waterfront Redevelopment Project. These are some of the photos, the present photos of the Mumbai Port ship repair site at Darukhana Sivri, the Mumbai Port Trust land in Sivri, the Wadi Bandar used sheds, closed factories and warehouses in Haji Bandar Sivri, the Fosbury Road, the derelict Wadi Bandar railway yard. This is a complete picture about the 18-kilometer waterfront, which is the 7 times the length of Marine Drive. As you can see, this starts from the Wadala estate and goes right to the Sassoon docks. The eastern front is primarily from the Mahul refineries to the Gateway of India. On completion, once we start in 2021 and we expect this project to be completed in 2028, this is what we envisage the Mumbai Eastern Waterfront will look after completion. Look at the different pictures. This will have the complete island infrastructure, the Mumbai tube train, the Mumbai island separation, Mumbai luxury liner port, super tall buildings, mass housing projects, new universities, Central Park, which would be 18 kilometers and 400 meters wide. There would be a massive Mumbai mega convention center. Now the size of investment opportunity is $45 billion, that is 337,500 crores. The size of investment opportunity is $45 billion, that is 337,500 crore rupees. And the new job creation potential is 3.27 million people. Project number two is the Mumbai East Central Park project. Now, what does this Central Park do? And something which we really need is this will increase 600% green cover in Mumbai. A park right in the midst of Mumbai, like the Central Park of which is in the USA. This will be 300 meters wide, the length would be 18 kilometers. If we start in 2020, it will be completed in just 4 years. The size of investment opportunity is $0.5 billion, that is 3750 crore rupees. And the new job creation potential is 30,000 people. These are some of the pictures that we envisage. Project number three is the Maharashtra High Speed Ring Corridor project. This project would connect the Mumbai city to all the ends of Maharashtra state. Right from Mumbai to Thane to Nasik, Dhule, Akola, Amravati, Bhandara, Gondia, right down to Gadchiroli, Yavatmal, Hingoli, Parbhani, Beed, Satara, Pune, Ratnagiri, and Thane. This will be a complete expressway connecting all corners of Maharashtra. The size of investment opportunity is $20 billion, that is 150,000 crore rupees, 150,000 crore rupees, and the new job creation potential is 1.4 lakh people. Project number four is Maharashtra Rural Prosperity Project. 60,000 check dams plus knowledge inputs to raise rural incomes. Nation building through rural transformation, the global Pali experiment. Construct Maharashtra believes the global Pali movement is a role model for transforming rural India and for creating rural prosperity. They have planted over 1.1 million fruit trees in one of Maharashtra's most drought-stricken areas. Global Party, led by Mr. Mayank Gandhi, has a goal to increase rural incomes by 20 times over current levels. In a very short time, they have made a huge difference by interventions in irrigation, education, animal husbandry, and in fruit plantations. Construct Maharashtra would like to spread Global Pali's message everywhere. The size of investment opportunity is $12 billion, that is rupees 90,000 crores, and the new job creation potential is 15 million people. Project number 5 is Rural Secondary Education and Healthcare Project. What does this present? 2,000 new secondary schools plus 300 new hospitals at taluka level. Some of the pictures. Now, these are examples of Sugata Mitra School in using the cloud, which is already happening in West Bengal, Sundarbans. We want virtual classrooms to happen in every taluka, every village of India. That is the dream of this project. Rural healthcare to reach with modern equipments and facilities to every corner of Maharashtra. Size of investment opportunity here is $9 billion, that is 67,500 crore rupees, and the new job creation potential is 0.65 million people. Each and every project gives job creations, create job facilities, opportunities for people in Maharashtra. Project number 6 is Mumbai flood control, the need of the hour, Mumbai flood control and Mithi River cleaning project. These are some of the pictures of Mithi River and which are as of now. The size of investment opportunity is $12.85 billion, which is 96,375 crore rupees, and the new job creation potential is 1.1 million people. These are some of the dilapidated conditions of Mithi River now in 2020. This is an indicative picture, the second one, which would be during construction. And lo and behold, Mithi River after completion. This is how beautiful the Mithi River would become, and this is how the Mumbai flood control would be actually controlled. Project number 7 is affordable housing project for 9 million slum developers. These are some of the pictures. On the right, you will see once this project takes shape, how the slum dwellers will actually live. And this is in Mumbai itself. The size of investment opportunity is $60 billion, that is 450,000 crore rupees, and the new job creation potential is 4.36 million people. Project 8 is the Mahim Bay Marine National Park Artificial Coral Reef Project. This is what Mahim Bay looks like as of now. And once we, in case we start in 2021 and after completion in 2024, this is what Mahim Bay will look like. Size of investment opportunity is $1 billion, that is 7,500 crore rupees, with a new job creation potential of 10,000 people. Financial innovation, unlocking $1.25 trillion, which is already locked in Indian cities. Proposed safe value unlocking mechanism for Indian cities. Safe capital release and monetization mechanism with foreign currency and interest rate safeguarding. This will come right from the Prime Minister's office. These are different steps, and we can definitely speak to you about this. And this is what Construct Maharashtra event will put forth. The financing plan carries no currency risk as these are physical project asset-backed securities with proper market value. The government gets committed to an urban equity withdrawal program for 10 to 15 years, but sticks to its fiscal responsibility agenda as foreign investors assume currency and interest rate risk. Construct Maharashtra focuses on bringing the world's largest project developers, construction companies, and architect firms to India. This is what Construct Maharashtra is all about. We want to focus on improving the construction quality in India. This is what the focus, the dream, this is what we want to bring to the platform. This is what we want India, we want Maharashtra to be catapulted to. This is a wish list of all the companies. Construct Maharashtra will not only have an exhibition but will also have a high scale conference running parallel to it. We will also have a number of B2B meetings. We also want to improve the municipal construction quality and bringing the world's largest construction companies to India, to Mumbai per se. The investment multiplier impacts. Total expected investment in Construct Maharashtra, rupees 17.6 lakh crores, that is $234 billion. The investment multiplier is equal to 3 times. That is rupees 52.8 lakh crores plus 26 million new jobs. Additional project macro impacts within India would be huge boost for Make in India, 120 million tons of new steel demand, 120 million tons of new cement demand, 10 lakh crores worth of additional business for domestic manufacturers of building materials. Capacity creation would be large scale new technology adoption in construction sector, creation of several new construction companies with the ability to do large projects, a much cleaner and safer Mumbai city. The international trade would be impacted in a very positive way. 50 billion US dollars investment in Mumbai and Maharashtra by US, by Europe, by Japanese companies. The stage gets set for India to be recognized as one of the world's largest construction markets. Creation of 60,000 new high paying jobs in partner countries. That is the impact of Construct Maharashtra. So this is Tejinder Singhagi signing off and looking forward to you being an integral part of the Construct Maharashtra exhibition and conference, which would be held in hall number 2 at Bombay Exhibition Center between the 20th and the 22nd of January. Thank you so much. Goodbye and good luck.